Harling here. I am out trucking this week. I spent last week back in Pickering at my desk building a website which will be launched shortly. This week I am trucking all week and I'm up in Scotland. I've managed to stop at the Road Chef Annadale Water Services on the M74 on the way back down south. Absolutely beautiful scenery here. So I've just come out on the terrace. It's quite busy inside. But really spectacular scenery for a motorway service area. And I've called in last night at Purdy Lodge, which is a cafe I've passed many times on the A1 as you approach the Scottish border going north, but it's the first time that I actually stopped there for the night and was very pleasantly surprised. So it's got an excellent cafe there which is open 24 hours a day. It's on Snap. The Snap will include your breakfast if your haulier operator allows that, and the voucher that they give you covers one of the breakfasts. I went for a slightly different breakfast which was slightly more expensive but excellent, and the shower there is good as well, insofar as you've got a tap for turning the shower on and another tap to adjust the temperature. What more do we want? These independent truck stops come in all shapes and sizes, but generally speaking are a lot better than the motorway service areas, and we need more of them. The ones we've got, we have got some really good examples, and I'm going to start calling into the ones that I particularly like and doing short videos on them to encourage drivers to call in there. We need to encourage them because this is the future for decent services for the HGV driver community in the country, and they are offering a much better service for the most part, and we need more of them. Friendly staff and a good selection of sandwiches. I noticed there was quite a lot of people while I was having my breakfast, a lot of drivers popping in for a coffee, and a good selection of food to take out as well as being able to stay and have decent food in. So ticks all the boxes, and the service station also has a good shop available to it, so definitely one to be recommended. Right, managed to get that stuff uploaded to Ed the editor to get a video out. As you can see here, I'm just got the swans in the background. If you've ever been to this motorway service area, you'll probably recognise them. And if I go around like that, time to get rolling. That's the park, that's me. You'll see the park where I'm parked.